If you want awesome products at great prices, check out the in the description. UK industry leaders sound alarm bells over looming Trump tariffs. A potential economic crisis averted. A chilling warning has reverberated through the halls of British Parliament. The potential for a devastating economic crisis sparked by the reemergence of Trump-era tariffs. Leading figures from the automotive, manufacturing, and energy sectors have delivered a stark message to MPs, painting a bleak picture of mass unemployment and economic instability unless swift action is taken. This urgent plea comes as Chancellor Rachel Reeves embarks on a crucial mission to the United States. Her first in-person meeting with U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent holds immense weight, as negotiations for a new trade agreement are poised to determine the fate of countless British jobs. The stakes are incredibly high. Failure to secure a favorable deal could plunge the UK into an economic maelstrom, potentially necessitating a drastic measure, a repeat of the COVID-19 furlough scheme, to cushion the blow of widespread job losses anticipated this summer. The gravity of the situation cannot be overstated. Industry leaders are not merely expressing concerns, they are issuing a stark prediction. Unless the UK government successfully mitigates the impact of looming tariffs, significant layoffs are inevitable. Stephen Phipson, CEO of Make UK, the influential manufacturers trade group, has painted a grim picture, stating that companies could begin shedding staff as early as this summer if a deal softening the blow of the proposed tariffs isn't reached. These tariffs, a chilling echo of the Trump administration's protectionist policies, include a 10% levy on all goods and a staggering 25% tariff on automobiles, a sector already reeling from various economic pressures. The looming threat of these tariffs represents a double whammy for UK manufacturers, adding insult to injury in an already challenging environment. These businesses are already grappling with some of the world's highest energy costs, a direct consequence of the UK's heavy dependence on natural gas. The added burden of significant tariffs could prove insurmountable for many, potentially triggering a domino effect that destabilizes entire supply chains and devastates local communities. The urgency of the situation cannot be overstated. The potential for widespread unemployment and economic turmoil hangs precariously in the balance. The success of Chancellor Reeves's mission to the U.S. is not merely a matter of diplomatic maneuvering. It is a crucial lifeline for British industry and the livelihoods of countless workers. The coming weeks will be critical, determining whether the UK can navigate this potential economic crisis or succumb to its devastating impact. The eyes of the nation, and indeed the global economy, are keenly focused on the outcome of these critical negotiations. The potential for a repeat of the economic hardship seen during the COVID-19 pandemic is a very real and present danger. The government's response will determine whether this looming crisis can be averted or whether British industries face a summer of unprecedented job losses.